For every object, you can view it from the different angles, different height, different distance between you and the objects. When you view the objects from different angles, you actually come up with a different feeling. We're going to continue to look for at least another angle. Interesting. From this eye level, have another interesting view. So I'm going to draw it one more time. So where I'm going to place it. And the leg at the front over here, and then take a look really quickly and relate to this leg to that leg. Draw the line connected to this and connect to them, and to find the correct proportion and relationship. Find the angle of the line and find out between the distance over here to here, and compare the distance from here to here. Very much the same. Looks like very much the same. So if I'm putting it over here, and that coming down here is supposed to be over here, the same. If I'm coming here to relate to this leg, draw this angle, and this leg supposed to be here, so on. And you can relate all the parts together to make it more proportionally correct. Okay, like that. Now this pencil get a little bit shorter now. I'm going to change it to, this is a 6B. This is a pencil extension holder. Okay, find out the connection. Find out the direction of this, and I can divide this and have now let's see. I'm going to continue to develop a little bit more line here, looking for the angle of this line. It's important. Looking for the angle of this line. And then this is good. I'm going to relate to this also from here to there. Relate to find out the legs in the back. And I can also cross reference from here to here. I can find out this relationship. And I can find out this leg actually can be a little bit taller. I think this is good. I'm going to start drawing the lines. So I'm going to start over here. I think this starting over here. Keep going. Okay. Now come back here. Look for the angle of the line. Good. And now come over there. Good. Okay. Look as you're drawing, and look before you draw. Okay, good. Now I come down here. Look at that. Yes, come. Hold on. Okay, there's another line coming down over here. I think this line can come a little bit more to the left. Let's take a look. And look at the width of the bench leg. That's good. And this angle is actually going toward this side. I can also draw this at this point. Now, okay, now I'm going to draw this line from here. Look for the angle. It's very important. Look for the angle before you continue. Look for the angle. Okay, now this line, and look for the angle and looking for the relationship, the angle. Looking for the angle and looking for the width of this. Is that supposed to be bigger and bigger? And now coming from here and relate to this line and coming straight down in the middle over here. Okay, and this line, and on this side, that's the angle of this line. And coming down, good, stop and look, stop and look. Okay, now we just find most of the lines. Let's add this little detail over here, and that actually come up all the way here. There is another line on this side. There's another side of the wood, and actually when you see it from this angle, you can be able to see the other part of this frame. Draw that, and there is a oval right here. Draw the depth of that too. Okay. Oh, this is good. Now we're going to shade it. This side darker. Hold the side. Hold the pencil sideways. Okay. And actually here it has some reflected shape, and actually this is even darker, so that by drawing that you convey the feeling. The surface of this is actually pretty glassy. Okay. Shade it a little, and this is pretty dark in here. Shade it a little. And the legs, the whole leg's a little bit darker, but this side even darker. Okay, now catch the shadow, catch the shadow, catch the shadow. Okay, I'm going to remove some of the line and shade. You can remove it. Oh, yeah, you can keep them. It's fine as a drawing. Okay. If you go a little bit further in the drawing, you can always shade this a little bit carefully. Shade it this a little bit more, and also you can use the eraser to take out some highlight, like over here. It's supposed to have some highlight on the top. So you can redraw this line with this line and the shade under here. They actually can create the illusion. It has the highlight over here, pop. Okay, you can continue to develop each drawing to make it interesting. Okay, down here can be a little darker. You can also use the eraser to create a small light shape. You can first remove that first. Remove the whole area. So you can come back here. Now you can redefine the shape. As here, this. here the shape can be a small gap, so you draw the dark area to close up the light shape. In that case, you can create that illusion. Okay. So you can see every object, you can view it and draw it from different angles. So it's never satisfied just one angle, and you should look around, raise your body higher, see that from the top view, or lower the horizon line and see it a little bit lower, and also walking around the space to find another interesting angle to draw.